Yeah. You wanna join me? Old ass up here. Don't know none of the song. Play that, you know what I'm talking about. That Sam Cooke, some shit. Play that. What's that nigga name? Fiddler. Play Fiddler. Fiddler. Now they just make me just fool. You lost your virginity to Frederick Douglass, you know. I gotta talk about people. My Frederick, put your fro on me. I love you. Toes looking like fried sausage sticking out of the pan. I be hungry as shit up here, you hosted. Like, damn, move your foot again, bro. Move your fucking foot. Use language I'm at work, you telling me I'll charge a meal plan to your name. Like, hold on, 7 meals, you do the damn. Show the Southern, y'all make some noise. How y'all doing? What's up? What's up? Bob, I'm gonna whoop your ass. Every time I get up here, just be fat jokes after fat jokes. I got old jokes for your ass too. Her class picture in Deuteronomy. With Exodus. I love you, Mama. Real talk. Real talk. But that's the type of stuff I go through. Where my big folks at now? These big folks. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. These some of the strongest people on the face of the earth. You wanna know why? We've been getting picked on since day one. And we'll kill you. We don't let nothing go. Yeah. Every time we be like, I'm gonna let it go. No, we ain't. We're going home to plot. We're waiting for that one day to whoop everybody's ass. That's how I roll. But no, really, y'all really treat big people different, and the world is getting worse. It's getting worse. Some of y'all thinking about jokes about me right now, and I'd like to tell you to go to hell. Yeah, that's how I feel. Y'all treat big people different. I see y'all be on campus and stuff. Some of y'all be like, hey. Look at your shoes, look at your shoes, look at your shoes, look at your shoes, look at your shoes. I can hear you. I'm just saying they lean. I like, that's my business. Public service announcement. If you see big people walking on campus and you selling baked goods, we are not an automatic